Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the Shopify Express Checkout. Of course, the Express Checkout buttons from the checkout itself cannot be fully removed the normal way. You will be able to remove it though using some code or editing some code in your theme. But before making any changes, first let's just go to our online store in the list panel, and from here on the themes page, make sure to duplicate or just make a backup of your store before making any changes. If something goes wrong, you can always go back to the old backup. So you can click on the three dots and click on duplicate as an example if you want to. So as an example, I just created here a copy of my theme. And I'm just going to click on the three dots, and of course I'm going to click on edit code. This will open a new tab with all the codes of my theme. Basically, I'll have to go and click on search and look for main cards footer.liquid. Make sure to go and click on that. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here. Normally on the down theme, if you scroll down to the line 122, you'll find this if additional checkout buttons. All you need to do, just go and delete all this condition. So starting from F to the end of it. You can either, if you want to, make it a comment, or you can, as an example, delete it. As I said, make sure to make a backup before editing the code because you can mess up sometimes. So as an example, now we're done. You can just go and save, click on save at the top right, and you should be able to remove the checkout or the express checkout. But sometimes if you have different theme, you may not find it, as an example, on the line 122. So what you'll have to look for, and you may not even find the main cards like foot liquid or footer liquid. So you'll basically have to look for something like main dash products as an example. So dash product dot liquid, maybe it can be dash products dash form dot liquid. So it might be one of those. And you'll have to find the line of this additional buttons checkout. Or you should find, as example, the line of course, how to find the line easily. You can click on Control F and type either additional, you can type whatever you want. So as I said, if you don't have the down, you may find something like form and payments button. And basically, you'll have to remove the if condition totally. Once you're done, make sure to make this save and you should be good to go. The checkout express will be gone. And of course, there are the last solution that I'm not gonna go through, but it's worth mentioning, which is you can hide this using some CSS code. If you don't want to touch any liquid code, you can open the base.css / the theme.css, and you can add, as an example, at the bottom, like condition for Shopify payments button, and you can choose display to none as an example. Of course, for the specific code, you can ask any AI tool and it will help you out. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.